In this video, we're going to take a look at how Ethernet switches work. Ethernet switches operate at the layer 2 data link layer of the OSI model. That's because they make their forwarding decisions based on the layer 2 information, the Ethernet header information of the Ethernet frame. Ethernet switches have MAC address tables. In this example, the MAC address table is already fully populated. We'll learn in a later video how the MAC address table gets built. But let's see how a switch uses this information. Here we have 4 hosts, H1 through H4. I have on each host an abbreviated MAC address, like AAAA for host 1. That's the MAC address of its Ethernet NIC. So if we have H1 going to send an Ethernet frame to H4, well, it builds an Ethernet frame with the source MAC address of its own MAC address. So in the source MAC address, we'll put AAAA, the MAC address of H1, and the destination MAC address will be that of H4, DD, DD. Once again, these are just abbreviated MAC addresses. So this Ethernet frame gets forwarded by H1 and is received on the switch on its Ethernet port, Fast Ethernet 01. The switch, we're going to learn later how it builds this table, but to forward the information, it looks at the destination MAC address of the Ethernet frame. The destination MAC address is DDDD. So it looks in its MAC address table for that MAC address, and here it is, DDDD, which is on port FA, Fast Ethernet 04. So the switch will forward this frame only out Fast Ethernet 04 towards the destination.